Next topic is the February Revolution in Petrograd. In the winter of 1917, conditions in the capital Petrograd were grim. The layout of the city seemed to be emphasized the division among its people. The workers' quarter and factories were located on the right bank of the river Neva. So in the winter of 1917, condition of the capital, that is Petrograd, was very critical. The city was trying to emphasize more among the division of people. That means they wanted to help the people. Even the workers quarters and factories located near the river of Neva, okay, so they have made the workers quarter so that they will live peacefully. On the left bank were the fashionable areas, the Winter Palace, and office buildings, including the palace where the Duma met. So even you can see in the left part of the bank, that is bank of river Neva, there was a fashionable areas, that is the Winter Palace, and the different types of official buildings, including the palace where the Duma met, that means where the constitution was made. In February 1917, food shortage were deeply felt in the workers' quarter. So in February 1917, there was a shortage of food in the workers' quarter. The winters was very cold, and there had been exceptional frost and heavy snow. So the winters in the Russia was very cold. In the Europe was very cold, okay, and all area was covered with heavy snow. Parliamentarian wishing to preserve elected government who opposed to the Tsar desire to dissolve the Duma. So now the parliamentarian, that means the different types of officers who were a part of the parliament, they were keeping the elected government, okay, and they were wishing to reserve the elected members who were the part of the government, okay, and also they were looking after the people who opposed the Tsar desire, okay. On 22nd February, a lockout took place at the factory on the right bank. So on 22nd February, there was a huge conflict which had taken place in the factory on the right bank of river Neva. The next day, workers in 50 factories called a strike in sympathy. So then the very next day, that is on the 23rd February, huge amount of workers, okay, in the 50 factories, they started to protest against the government, and they started to practice strike. In many factories, women lead the ways to strikes. So even women also, they have played an important role in order to implement the strikes. These came to be called the International Women's Day. So on the day, that is on the 23rd February, when the women led the you can say led or they participated in a movement in order to revolt against the government. That particular day is known as the International Women's Day. Demonstrating workers crossed from the factory's quarter to the center of the capital, the Nevsky Prospect. So even the workers, they started to revolt against the government, and they started, and even they crossed the factory quarters to the central, that is from the factory quarters they started to move towards the capital, that is the Nevsky Prospect. At this stage, no political party was actively organizing the movement. So at this stage, no political parties, they were organizing the movement. As the fashionable quarters and official buildings were surrounded by workers, the government imposed curfew. So as the workers, they started to revolt against the fashionable quarters and official buildings, okay, the whole buildings and the quarters were surrounded by the workers, okay. That's why the government, they imposed curfew. That means started to beat the people, okay, they started to arrest them and put them in a jail. Demonstrators dispersed by the evening. but they came back on 24th and 25th. So the demonstrators, that means the workers, they started to revolt, okay, and the whole day, and in the evening they dispersed, but again they came back on the 24th and 25th of February. The government called out the cavalry and police to keep an eye on them. So even the government, in order to suppress the revolt, they called the cavalry, that is the soldiers and police, to keep an eye on the demonstrators. If they do any type of movement, they will be suppressed by the help of cavalry and police. On Sunday 25th February, the government suspended the Duma. So on 25th February, the government suspended the Duma, that is the constitution. Politicians spoke out against the measure, okay, even the politician, they spoke out against the measure. That means that whatever the government is doing, that is not up to date, okay, that is not appropriate. Demonstrators returned in force to the street of the left bank on 26. So even the demonstrators, again they came back with a full swing on the left bank on the 26th February. On the 27th, the police headquarters were ransacked. The street thronged with people raising slogan about bread, wages, better hours and democracy. So the demonstrators, they attacked the police headquarters, okay, they have destroyed everything which were there in the police headquarters, and the streets, that means the whole streets were now covered with the people. They were raising the slogan about the rising price of the bread. They were not getting proper amount of wages, that is salary, better hours, that means they were not getting break while they have to work for 14 to 15 hours continuously, and democracy, that means they want a you can say a form of government where they can choose their own representative through election. The government tried to control the situation and called out the cavalry again, once again. So the government, they tried to control the situation that is against the demonstrator, and even the government called the cavalry, that is the soldiers and armies, to handle the crowd. However, the cavalry refused to fire on the demonstrators. So though the government called the cavalry, but the cavalry refused to fire on demonstrators. An officer was shot at the barrack of a regiment, and 3 other regiments mutinied, voting to join the striking workers. So even the different types of officers, they were you can say one officers were shot at the barrack of the regiment, and even other regiment, that means the other officers, they started to support the workers. By that evening, soldiers striking workers had gathered to form a Soviet or council. So by the evening, all the workers have gathered to form a Soviet, that is a council, in the same building as the Duma met. This was the Petrograd Soviet. So all the workers, they assemble in the same building where Duma, that is the constitution of the country, was made, and this process is known as Petrograd Soviet. The very next day, a delegation went to see the Tsar. Military commanders advised him to abdicate. He followed their advice and abdicated on 2nd March. Soviet leaders and Duma leaders formed a provincial government to run the country. So the very next day, a delegation, that means we can say rule was passed. Okay, rule was passed where they went to see the Tsar. Military commanders, they advised the Tsar to abdicate, that means to surrender. Tsar followed their advice, that means Tsar followed the advice of the commander, and he was finally surrendered on 2nd March. So the different types of workers and Soviet leaders and Duma leaders, they form a provincial government to run the country. So now they have made their own rules and regulation so that they can form a provincial government and run the country. Russia's future would be decided by a constituent assembly elected on the basis of universal adult suffrage. So the Russia's future, that is, which is a part of European countries, okay, during those time, Russia's future would be decided by a constituent assembly. It is a body where the leaders will be elected with the help of universal adult suffrage, that means with the help of voting. Petrograd had lead the February Revolution that brought down the monarchy in February 1917. So in the you can say with the help of Petrograd Soviet. Finally, it led with the help of February Revolution. Why? Because all the incident had taken place in the month of February. That's why it is known as February Revolution. Okay, and with the help of February Revolution, that means by doing different types of strikes, different types of movement, finally monarchy system was abolished or overthrown from the Russia in the February 1917. So this is all about the February Revolution in Russia.